योग विज्ञान संस्थान के महामंत्री राजीव धामा जी के अनुसार कंसंट्रेशन की टू सक्सेस। कंसंट्रेशन इज वन पॉइंटेडनेस ऑफ माइंड, द एबिलिटी टू होल्ड द अवेयरनेस ऑफ द माइंड ऑन द पॉइंट, one place without wavering. The perfection to concentration leads to meditation. In the state of concentration, mind is not aware of external environment or other things that surrounds the object of concentration. Concentrated thoughts have great power. If our thoughts is concentrated, we can see the underlying truth of the phenomena we are concentrating. Concentration is vital for everything that we do in life because it prevents the mind from wandering aimlessly in all directions. Without concentration, we can achieve nothing. A concentrated mind is a powerful mind, and a distracted mind is a weak mind. In order to develop mental power, we must first develop a concentrated mind. A dissipated or distracted mind cannot have mental power. If thoughts are scattered, they can be brought into concentrated focus by specific concentration practices. If this happens, then our mind will become so powerful that we can influence the minds of others. We can influence our character, our health, our whole life. Concentration makes our mind strong. A strong mind is one which can carry out its own decisions. A contrast, a weak mind is one which decides one thing but does another. All the great men about whom we have read in history, whether artists, writers, musicians, politicians, statesmen, military leaders, scientists or saints, achieved greatness because of the quality of their mind. They did not become great by a freak of nature or a stroke of luck. They become great due to the quality of their mind. If we want to do something or become something in our life, the quality of our mind has to be improved. If we have low quality of mind, then our performance in all spheres will be poor. If the quality of our mind is high, then our performance will be correspondingly very great. To develop a higher quality of mind, we will have to analyze ourselves and our aims, and we will have to give some time to the practice of concentration in the morning and evening. We can easily practice concentration through yoga. The whole practice of yoga is actually a practice of concentration of mind. Mainly the practice of asana, pranayama and dhyana increases our focus and concentration. When we practice asanas wholeheartedly and try to stay in final pose, our focus shifts on the affected part of the body, and as our practice increases and we are able to stay in the final pose of asana for a long time, then our focus shifts towards chakras, which are centers energy in our body. As soon as it happens, the ability of mind to concentrate increases a lot. When we do pranayams with our focus on breathe slowly and steadily, the dissipation of our thoughts occur and we are able to concentrate. This practice makes us habitual of concentrating and focusing on the object we want to concentrate. Practice of dhyana is itself the practice of concentration. If we want to get success in life, that can only be achieved through concentration of mind. Thanks.